So today we're going to be learning a little bit about how to add an animated character to your game. So I have already created a butterfly open and closed. When you are drawing your animated characters, you want to think about size. This might be a little bit big for a game, but I simply use this drawing tool and the fill tool and all of the drawing tools that you can find in Keynote. You can also use Photoshop, whatever image program that you want to. You just really want to be thinking about all the different actions. So once you've created these, you're going to want to take a screenshot of the actions. This one is as simple as can be. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening this in preview so I can alpha out the background. So in preview, many of you have used Instant Alpha before. Just simply taking the background out, and I'm going to export it as a PNG. I'm going to say butterfly open. And now I can click on the closed butterfly, alpha out the background, and call it butterfly closed PNG. So now I'm ready to add it to Stencyl. I'm going to be creating a new character. And I'm going to be calling this butterfly fly. I'm going to be choosing the images that I created. And then whatever image I put here will be what it will look like when it's closed. So as you can see, the butterfly is moving here. Now I can go to my soccer field and or whatever scene that you want to add it to. As you can see, I spoke about size here, and this is how big it is. So it will be that size. I would reduce the size in preview if you would like to make it a little bit smaller for your scene. So reduce the size as small as you want before importing it. So you could do that as well. Now, the other consideration that I would have is, well, first of all, let me test it so you can see that it's actually moving in the scene. There it is. But it's not going to be able to move. So that is where, just like any other character, you're going to want to add behaviors. You can add the walking behavior to this butterfly by there we go. By choosing its controls just as you would any other character. But just an FYI, although it's animated, it's not going to move unless you add the behaviors. And since this butterfly is pretty much going to be moving whichever way here, I'm just going to be choosing the same animation. This way, when you go back to the soccer field, test the scene, you should be able to use the right and left keys to move your butterfly. Now I moved it too far up the screen. But in any case, have fun with your animated GIFs to add to your stencil scene.